So, Mr. Mohammed, so you have done petroleum engineering, right?
Yes, sir.
How do GCC influence the international relation?
Sir, Gulf Cooperation Council is with respect to the primary target of GCC, and that is Gulf Cooperation Council is for the welfare, for the overall, correct consideration of the Arabian Peninsula as a common economic unit. Again, it's not like the European Union, and the target is to connect Arabian Peninsula to the rest of the world. So, if I could say with respect to energy security, it has achieved a number of international agreements have been brought about with respect to the GCC for
Whether they are responsible for the rising petroleum price around the world?
Sir, when it comes to petroleum pricing, I believe the main role is by OPEC.
Fine. Then, what is Djibouti Code of Conduct?
Again, I'm afraid, sir. I didn't hear.
Djibouti Code of Conduct.
I'm afraid, sir.
Okay. Now, recently there was a news of Pacific Ocean.
Yes, sir.
The reason is called Rings of Fire, and you are aware of that. What is the shape of Rings of Fire?
Green sapphire, sir.
Rings of Fire shape.
I'm afraid, sir.
The reason also known for the what? Rings of Fire is known for what?
No, sir. No, sir.
You have not heard that.
No, sir.
No. Okay. What is landslide? How do you define it?
Sir, landslide is a sudden um, fall or the fall of landmass along the.
No, fall is simple. The free fall means what? Something
I
is
won't
here.
say
Let's say I will have pain and fall in this one.
Yes,
It's
sir.
not slide. It's fall.
Yes.
Then how you will define fall and slide?
Sir, it's a case of sliding of any mass of land along gravity along the slopes of mountains
Okay.
first.
So that would be simple. Where the shear force will exceed than the shear strain,
Yes,
so
sir.
there would be landslide.
Yes.
Okay. Then what is the role of geomorphology for the Kerala landslide?
Sir, as a number of critics mentioned that it was there were a number of cases were already flagged that the case of potential landslide was always going to happen because to start with the geological properties of the soil that were there, they were not studied well enough, and the case of the chances of change of channel of river, that was not studied. And finally, sir, there was one more thing where under certain circumstances the gap between the soil particles, they increase because of water getting retained, and they cause solifluction.
Okay, we are having EV policy by 2030. At least 30% of the vehicle will be turned into EV.
Yes.
But there is a news that only 2% of the vehicles sold in 2023.
Yes.
Only EV, only 2%, 1 to 2%. Then where we are lacking?
So I'd say to start with, the electric vehicles are costlier. So the overall, when it comes to breaking even the investment that the people are bringing in, they consider that by spending 5-6 lakhs extra on the electric vehicles, they can use the same for.
Is it more friendly as compared to the gasoline one?
Sir, on the face of it, it seems to be friendly, but I don't think it's friendly in the long term, because as a number of reports have been suggested that the pollution that is caused by petrol and diesel vehicles, they are much less compared to industries. So overall, it's more of a gimmick that's been given out.
Do you support that the death penalty in India should stop?
Yes, sir.
On what basis?
Sir, a number of advanced democracies in the world have already done away with capital punishment, and I believe death penalty is doing away with giving that person another chance. When it comes, no matter how heinous the crime, there is always, as Mahatma Gandhi said, there is always a case of humanity that exists within everyone. So no matter how big the crime, the person that always has chances of improving.
Then that might also influence or inspire others to do the same.
Sir, if we can actually undertake a number of other measures, as have been taken for the psychological part of improvement of the person.
There is also, you might have heard about the Azikar incidents, and the many of the workplaces in India is not safe for the woman worker, right? What's the reason for that? They are feeling so.
Sir, I'm afraid again, which part of the
workplace. I'm talking
Workplace.
about why the majority workplace across the world, including India, are considered to be not safe for the woman. Any
Sir,
suggestion you support for that, or you can put forward for that?
Sir, I can quote the Vishaka guidelines.
Okay.
They were under them separate bodies or institutions were to be made in every corporate body, so that every time there is a case of any exploitation of women, the complaints are raised. But these institutions are dormant in most of the
Okay. Now, in which tier there would be chairman? There is this 3-tier system is there.
Yes, sir.
Under which tier there would be chairman?
Sir, the chairman is in Zilla Parishad.
Jilla Parishad. That would be top one. Okay. Yes. Fine. Then, what is difference between BDO and Tahsildar in terms of their work?
Sir, I'd say with respect to the revenue part, the Tahsildar is more closely connected with the land revenue assignment.
Only revenue or anything else is also attached?
So the region of coverage for a BDO is broader.
Okay, fine. Last question. Whether would be ready to move through the muddy water and muddy street to serve the people?
Yes, sir.
Sir, thank you.
Last question. Tell me, recently there is an incident of Gauraksha's incident.
Yes.
In Delhi NCR. Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
There is a guy of around 20 years of age. Has been chased by some cow vigilant, and around 30 kilometers they have chased.
Yes.
And then finally they have gone shooted them.
Yes.
And how do you justify it, or what is your take on this?
So I don't think taking matters of any injustice in one's hands is justified. Be it against the cattle protection by the vigilantes, as we say. Again, cow vigilantes is a name that's totally informal. There is no official recognition given to it. So somebody recognizes himself as a cow vigilante is not right. And again, beating up someone just on certain grounds that he could have done certain thing without proper. Again, it's a case of matters being taken into one's own hands. If it was a case of cow smuggling being taken, they could have complained to the police, and the police would have taken the necessary steps.
Then why government is not taking strong steps against these? If these incidents are going on.
Yes, sir.
Here the case is what the fellow person is a Hindu, and the particular the accused, the leader of the group who shoot them is telling that कि मुझे पछतावा इसलिए हो रहा है कि वो ब्राह्मण था.
Yes.
What do you think? If it is a Muslim, is it right to do so?
Sir, irrespective of the religion, it is not right. Sir, with respect to the matter of justice, we always know that there are basic human rights.
Why government is not banning these institutions like Gauraksha,
Yes.
Government, it's like working like arms of the government.
So different steps have been taken by different states. There is
Can
no.
you tell me any steps taken by any government?
Sir, Kerala government.
No, this the right wing government in the center.
Sir, at the top of it all, the person has his basic rights. They are guaranteed by the constitution, and there are other things mentioned in the IPC and the CRPC. So, with respect to them, there are some protectives that are provided to the person, and again, against cow vigilantes also the steps have been taken. But at the ground level, there is lack of knowledge that goes to the local people who are taking these measures.
Why officers are not taking? Even police is supporting them.
Sir, I don't think there has been any case of police support.
Yes, so many incidents.
So, sir, the local police, if I say, they could often they have been, blamed for not. If I could say they have been blamed for not taking any measures, it could be because of the orders from above, or maybe because of losing confidence with the local people. I think that's the main reason.
Okay, thank you.